To cancel your order and refund on Trendyol, firstly go to Trendyol, log into your account, and what you're going to do once you're in your once you've logged into your account here, so go to your account tab, so tap on your accounts tab here, and then from there click on my orders. So from here you will see all your orders. So if your order has not been shipped yet, simply tap and open up the order, and once you open up the order you will see an option where it says to cancel. Tap on cancel, and then you will be able to cancel your order and you can get your refund. But if your order has already been shipped, then you won't be able to cancel it yet. So you have to wait till you receive your order. So once you receive it, then the same thing, again come back to account, my orders, and select the order that you wish to refund or return and refund. Tap on it, and then underneath you will see an option called return item. Tap on it and they will ask you reasons why you want to return it, and then select it and just follow some on-screen prompt, and then they will send you return instructions on where do you need to return it. And once you select once you get the instructions on where do you need to return it, just return it as per the instructions, and then your refund, once they have received your item, your refund will be processed within 3 to 10 business days to your original mode of payment method.